Today, we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word what in English. The pronunciation guidance from the Cambridge Online Dictionary shows that this word has one syllable, so we don't need to think about word stress. It's just what. Let's break it down into the individual sounds. It starts with the w consonant, where we bring the lips together, that's w. Then we have the short o vowel, that's o. Finally, we have the unvoiced t sound, so don't vibrate your throat, it's an airy sound, t. So if we put all of those sounds back together, we have w, o, t, what. Repeat after me, what. And you probably noticed that we don't pronounce the letter H. We write the word with an H, but in current English use, that H isn't pronounced. So now you know how to pronounce what in English. Just to note, I'm from England, so I used the standard English version, but you will probably hear Americans pronouncing this word with a slightly longer vowel sound, so that's something to listen out for. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you found that useful, hit the like button. Thanks for watching and have a great day.